Good morning. It's candy station time. Look at all these beautiful Valentine candies we have. These are so good. These are those jelly hearts from Dollar Tree. Are they not looking yummy? And these over here are white chocolate with peanut butter. I'm getting hungry already looking at all these goodies. And of course we have some Kissies, chocolate Kissies. We have to have them. It's Valentine's. And then we have our little chocolates here. And we have some boxes of chocolate also. Oh, are they not beautiful? And of course, we have our cute little cupcakes, and our orchids are starting to look a little sad. But, you know, we've had them for several weeks, so they did very well, I thought. And of course, we've scattered some cookies in here. Peanut butter, not peanut butter, we have oatmeal and raisin cookies. I love that. A little bit of healthy. We have oatmeal. And here's some more great goodies. Oh, I can't believe all the goodies. The kids are going to have fun. Got the great-grandkids coming. Got 4 coming here in a couple days. Do you think how much I'll have left after they've been here? I think we'll be sending the rest home, whatever they don't need. I don't think Grandma needs this much sugar in her diet. The great thing about having grandchildren and great-grandchildren, there's lots to send home. And then, of course, we have these cute little heart-shaped suckers. Aren't they cute? Whole thing full of them. Then we have these red heart bouquet that look like roses, but they're suckers. Oh, I love them so. Oh, and you know what this cost me? You know how expensive this was? Free, 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 free. Oh, yeah, Grandma loves that word free. Well, how could it be free, Grandma? Well, we don't count food items because we're going to eat them. And most of these food items are going to the grandchildren and great-grandchildren. So that is not an issue. Then we have this XOXO sign. I bought it, I don't know, a couple months ago. I've had it in quite a few posts, so that's not new. The roses here with the red hearts I've had for a while. I've been in multiple posts. These are from last year or the year before. And these containers that my suckers are in, they're at least a couple years old too. They're not new. The teapot was something I bought, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months ago. The beautiful pink tray they're setting on, double tray, that I've had probably 20 years, so it's definitely not new. And the flowers, some of them I bought this year, but they've been in multiple posts already. I know you guys can recognize that centerpiece. I've used it in 3 or 4 different posts already for Valentine's. But that's why I buy stuff and try to get something that I can use multiple different ways. And this time it's in a candy station for Valentine's. Hope you enjoyed what I put together. And of course the white tray with the hearts, I've had that for, I don't know, a couple of months. I've had this one probably about 6 or 8 months, maybe longer. It has been bought back in 2020, but I didn't just buy it. And the placemat I've already used in quite a few posts also. So I hope you enjoy what we had here today. You know, Grandma's always got something here. Now, I guess you noticed the grandkids have been over, or the great-grandkids. Look what they left on the table, hidden from Grandma behind the candy. Oh well, it's okay. We know how they are. And of course, the little bear is still over here. He's still so cute. The other little bear and dog, Mia Rose, decided she should play with. So they've been taken off the table and put in the toy box because those are her 2 favorites. And I promised her once I got done doing all these videos that I was going to put them in her toy box for when she comes over. She can play with them from then on. They were from the Dollar Tree. If they get messed up, no big deal. We'll get some new ones for next year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this post. And if you're not already following my channel, please think about doing it. We would appreciate you to be part of our family over here. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Until the next video, my awesome friends. Kisses and hugs to all my awesome friends. Please take care of yourself.